Good day, everyone. I am Jamila Rosas and I am from BS Ed English. So today we will talk about phonetics. So what is phonetics? Phonetic is a scientific study of speech sounds. It studies the way humans make, transmit, and receive sounds. It looks at the human speech from three distinct but interdependent viewpoints, which are articulatory, auditory, and acoustic. So, what is articulatory phonetics? Articulatory phonetics studies how speech sounds are produced. So, how speech sounds are produced by our tongue, our lips, and our vocal folds, and etc. So, articulatory phonetics investigates how speech sounds are produced. For example, speech sounds such as vowels here. The vowel long E, the small letter I with a colon, E, and the capital letter I, which is E, the short E, and the small letter I with the colon, prolonged E. Then with the consonants pa and ka. So now the production and the description of segments of speech involves some basic understanding of speech anatomy. Furthermore, since all the speech sounds involve some sort of air, we have to look at the central airstream mechanism because you see, without an airstream, nothing will happen. You cannot hear what I was saying. So let's look at the airstream mechanisms in some details. Now, whereas in English, all speech sounds are initiated by outward going aggressive air from the lungs. Other languages may use additional use of producing an airstream. So, the following airstream mechanism can theoretically be used in human speech. So, when we say airstream mechanism, there are three airways, which is the pulmonic, nga naa sa ato ang lungs, and the glottalic, which is naa diri sa ato ang throat, diri sa ato ang